world, guys, and welcome back to another day, another lockdown day here in New Zealand.
Yay!
Yay, no, we're getting over it. Today is Monday the 19th, I think. Well, today's Monday, and we find out that later at 4 o'clock we will have I guess an announcement from the government of New Zealand to see if level 4 lockdown will be going down to level 3. If not, we'll find out soon. But today we started off the day with a nice breakfast, and now we're walking to the beach. Got the water bottle and a bit of thing and a book. And you know why? We got to balance it out. We can't stay home all the time. I mean, we try to be creative outside the house, and you know. Anyway, we'll see you at the beach.
The sun comes back.
So we made it to the beach, huh?
Yoo-hoo.
I know some people are not lucky to be living by the beach, but I mean, just look around you, appreciate what you have. Maybe you haven't been to the kitchen, maybe do something nice and cook yourself a chocolate cake, because you deserve it.
A few moments later.
So we're out here at the beach, we're just having fun, you know, play some volley. What a beautiful day it is, you know, taking some time to just appreciate what we have here.